Good morning everyone, Kev here again. I'm out by myself today. Paul's not around, but I'm at the Campaspe River here, just having a launch in the kayak. So it's just after Christmas time here, and hoping that we can get some cod, but there's most likely some yellows down in here anyway. Haven't really caught many cod this cod season yet, been on the bad luck side, so let's see what we can do. Water's up higher than normal, which is good from the heavy amount of rain that we've just had recently. Probably going to need them. Oh, these birds are already out. I'm going to start with throwing around a surface lure. A nice surface lure I picked up at the Bendigo Fishing Expo for lunar lures. See if we can get some. Waiting for the fish finder to come on. Let's do some casts. Finder is on and working today. Now put it in reverse. Just to make sure that this surface lure is not going to pull me forward. Just pull me forward still a little bit. Give it a bit more oomph. Nothing yet. No signs of life yet. Looking for the cod. They might still be shut down. If I don't catch any cod, I might switch over to some spinner baits and see if I can catch myself a yellow or a smaller cod. That's the thing with cod fishing. In most cases, if you downsize to say half-ounce spinner baits and stuff like that, you'll catch cod, but you won't catch bigger cod. Generally the smaller ones. You want to catch big cod, you've got to use big baits. That's not the rule, but there are always exceptions to that rule. So this is my lighter rod setup, not too much lighter, but it's just a smaller, cheaper Abacaxia reel. Max Pro, I think it was. And then it's Veritas Tournament Edition. The cool thing about this rod, it's 6 to 10 kilo, 8 to 58 gram lure. So it's a really good all-rounder rod that you can get into bait casting at not a half decent price. I think full price they're usually around 170, but you can pick them up on sale for around 120 bucks. And it's what I started out using years and years and years ago. My original one, I actually snapped the tip doing something very stupid, but I bought another one to replace it, just because I figured it was such a nice rod to use. It's not too stiff. It's a medium action rod. I'm going to see if I can cast and steer myself with my casts through this section here. Might get a bit fast. What I want to do is stop just on the other side so I can cast at this big laydown and all that structure in there. Oh, that was a good hit. Don't want to go into that section. Do not want to go in there. I reckon that was a cod that hit that. Let's flick up in there, just in case. Picking up a lot of speed. Whoa, no, slow down. Just snapped the spinnerbait straight off. Got snagged. The weight of the kayak just snapped it. Am I going to fall into some bad trouble up here? Like, if I go down there, am I coming back up? Well, that wasn't meant to happen, but it happened. I am now stuck. Look up in there, there's those massive laydowns. Oh, you can smell something big here. Oh-wee. There is a big fish here. That is not yellow, that is a Murray cod. Oh, where are you? Oh, wow. Not even going to bother tying that off, but there is something here. You can smell it. Come on. Where are you, you monster? Shit. Damn it. Me. I'm right in the car. I'm right in the zone here already. Just, this is not a good place to be when there's a big fish around. I reckon I've already disturbed it. Might as well just give up, to be honest. Get the codger on. I'll put another clip on the other rod, and we'll get going with some trolling. We'll just troll. Might just troll this big section a bit, to be honest. Might just do a quick and dirty blood knot while I'm trying to tie on a clip. I think I've just hooked up on a fish. Oh, it has to be a cod the way it's fighting. Oh, it's bricked me. It's tried to brick me. Come up. Here we go. It's coming up. It's coming up. Oh no, it's a yellow. It's a yellow, not a cod. Good one. Look at that. Got our first fish for the day. We've got a good yellow. I was trying to tie a clip, mate. Look at this fella. Good eating size if you wanted to eat one. Beautiful. Lovely looking yellow belly. Right from the Campaspe there. See you later, fella. You're the number one for the day. See if there's any fish just here laying in ambush. Have to wind quite quickly though because of the speed of the water. That current's flowing quite quickly. Ooh. Alright. That might be the sign that it's time to turn around. It has been a long day, everyone. I've been out here for about 5 hours now. I've caught one yellow. I've tried everything: trawling, surface, diving, subsurface, spinnerbaits. And I reckon I got that yellow just on a bit of a fluke there, just on the codger, just trawling along earlier on. There's been some real nice areas that have just stunk of fish. It's like, you know when you can smell them, you know they're there. Even this area here that I'm coming up on, like the type of tree that we've got there, the way that the roots are entering, it's about 3 meters deep right at the base there. There's certainly got to be something there. So anyways, I'm just going to cruise on home, back to the car and call it a day. Thanks for watching the video, everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one.